there it is. Kia ora. Yes, it's the tainui in her.
She loves it.
Kopi is her thing. Paki atu. Progress in my eyes.
I suppose so.
Yeah.
Haka Freak! Haka Freak!
He manuiri tā tātou.
E te whānau.
Ai.
Whānau.
E
E te whānau. He manu,
Whātātau i te
he manu
rangi nei.
huiri.
Ai.
He manu huiri.
No mai, haere mai. Welcome to Hakanonymous, i te whānau.
Ngā me.
Nau mai rā, ki a koe hoki rā e.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I do other things. Yeah, I do internal witty. You can't see my witty, but it's happening.
But anyway, ko ai kōrua, and what are you doing here?
Nā taku pāpā tēnei kaupapa i Kimi mai. He helped me talk Mum into coming. Ko te tumarako, I just really want Mum to tautoko mai kōrero with the rest of the whānau. You know?
Mama, hea te take horekai koe, waiata tai ana me te whānau?
Ko te mea ki,
Tuku, tuahine, come through.
I had a bad haka experience when I was younger.
Oh, girl. Oh.
We've all had those.
Was it the ripitiki? Lipstick on the teeth?
Oh, hera.
Hera wera keke, honey. I taka mai tō pupu.
Like whai mahi.
Don't lie, it's all right. You didn't make the team.
Kia mahara tātou. Kari
No.
e ke tātou katoa.
Well, I did make the team actually.
It's just us then. Well, yeah.
It was the haka trifecta. My tea party fell off mid-solo. My voice cracked. And then I fell off the stage onto the judge's table.
Tawa, hang on, hold up. Are you, honey, are you rahirius? Lovely.
No, my girl. Rahiri e.
Hoki ngā mahara.
Ai.
Hi.
Kua tai mai rā.
Arahi. Oh, sorry. Wai, ai maru.
Hai maru, hard. Aroha mai.
Aroha atu.
Tātou.
E.
I always thought that was just an urban legend. Engari, ko taku māma.
That's why I haven't been to any of your practices, son. But I really want to.
Ke te paema, e maramanu. Well, actually, I don't get it because it's never happened to me.
No, I'm gonna do it. Katsuo. Mo te taki.
Me kawa rā nei ma. Maybe Rahiri is to just keep her pew hung up.
Oi.
Oh, honey.
E kei rā, ka te tira kōrero.
No, I didn't mean it.
Ana, kei ai, me prakatihi.
Oh.
Don't you mean harato?
Oh, tēnei reanga.
Look at you. Look at you.
Me prakatihi.
Uh-huh.
That's all we're going to do.
Yes,
Te tiro. You'll be able to get out there.
that's it.
Uriera fringes. Putaki te ao.
Tuhaurangi crown, honey. Right up.
And
The
just
higher the
tipare,
better.
eh, just sitting on the top
Right there.
Straight like a real crown.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
That's the big
Feather.
queen.
yeah, like Lizzie. Queen Lizzie.
Kua mate ia.
Haka Freak!